Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. After a long time, I'm making a video for you. Most of viewers of my channel asked me, how they know, how many lines needed for their logo design, and is their logo letters perfect for monogram design. I will answer all question in this video. I think, if you watch this video till end, you will have no problem for making your logo on polygon, circle and shield, and more shape or frame that you want. So let's get started the video. First of all, I type the letters which I'm going to design. For monogram logo design, this is very important thing to know, how many lines needed to design your logo. I have created a video about on how to know, how many lines needed, and I share this video with I button as well as description. You can watch this video and solve your problem. Now I'm going to design the logo in a shield. No matter where you are going to design your logo, but you must first determine how many lines needed actually. I determined 14 lines need to design the logo. So take the line segment tool, and draw a line. Give stroke color on the line. Now select the line, and copy it by Hold-Alt. Take total 14 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. OK, that's good. Now select the lines, and make it vertical align bottom. And make it group. Now copy the lines. For copy, go edit. And select copy, again go edit, and select paste in place. Now rotate it 90 degree like that. That's good. These lines is the fundamental thing for design monogram logo. Now you have to draw the frame of your design, where you want to design your logo. I want to design the logo on shield. So I'm going to make a shield now. For making shield, take ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Copy the circle by Hold-Alt, and place it little bit distance equal to the middle point the first circle. Now select the two circle, and make it group. Again copy the circle by Hold-Alt, and place it little bit bottom like this. Now select everything, and make it middle align center. OK, that's good. Now take Shape Builder tool, and delete the extra parts of shield. If you cannot make shield, or you don't like the shield, you will find lots of shield on Google. Just you need to search on Google by shield design. See that, there are various design of shield, you can take one of them, and you can use for your logo. Now select the shield, and place it on the lines accurately like this. I think, I can place the shield accurately. Now select the shield, and copy it. For copy, go edit, and select copy, and again go edit, and select paste in place. Now make the shield one line shorter like that. OK, that's good. Everything is ready for our design. Keep one copy of the shield by Hold-Alt, because we need it later. Now select everything. and take Shape Builder tool, and turn on Fill Color. Now draw the letters on the lines. First I am drawing the M letter. Always keep in mind, when you are drawing the letters on lines, be careful so that the lines does not cross to another. Okay, I have designed the letters on the lines. Now I need to move it from the lines. Most of viewers comment, they cannot move the design perfectly. This tip's for those. First select your design letters, and move it from the lines. Again select your design, and ungroup it. After ungroup, select your design, and move it another place. Okay, that's good. I can perfectly move my design from the lines. Now select the design, and make it group. One important thing, this is the real output of your design. You can make the design more beautiful by increasing the stroke color. Always increase the stroke color when you are designing monogram or polygonal logo. It makes your logo more beautiful and professional. I think 6 pt stroke is good for the logo. Now select the design and go Object and select Expand and click OK. Now go Pathfinder and make it United. Okay, that's good. This is our final logo. Now you can make it colorful that you want. Now we are going to design the same letters in different shape. For that, you have to follow the fundamental thing, you need to draw 14 lines. Without drawing lines, you can't accurately design monogram logo. So take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Select the line, and copy it by hold Alt, and make it total 14 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Make it group. Now you have to draw in which shape or frame you are going to design your logo letters. Suppose, I'm going to design the in polygonal shape, so first take polygon shape. Also rotate the polygon. Now I need to make the polygon by using the lines, so for making the polygon by lines, you have to follow this. First select the lines, and copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, and again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now go Transform, and rotate at 60-degree angle, reverse the rotate lines. For that, click on right button of mouse, and select Transform, and select Reflect, and select Copy. Again select vertical lines, and copy it. You can copy by shortcut, by press Ctrl-C, and Ctrl-F. Now rotate at 90-degree like that. Okay, that's good. So this is how we can easily make any shape by lines. Now select everything, and rotate it. Now we are going to design our logo letters on this polygon. For that, first select everything, and take Shape Builder tool, and turn on fill color. Now draw our logo letters on these lines. Draw every letter carefully on these lines, otherwise the output result will not be perfect. Okay, I have draw every letter perfectly on the lines. Now I need to move the design. For move, follow the previous method. Okay, successfully move the design. Now increase the stroke color for making the design more beautiful and professional. I increase it 8 pt, and I think that's perfect. Now go Object, and select Expand, and click OK. Now go Pathfinder, and make it United. Okay, that's good. So friends, this is how we design the same letters in different shape. You can make more various by the letter. Just need to know the number of lines, and the shape or frame. Now we make another style of the same design. So watching the video till end. Select the design and shield, and make it middle align center. Now select the shield, and make it increase equal to design by hold Ctrl and Shift. Now select the design, and increase the stroke color. I want to thin the letter space of the design. Okay, 4 pt is good for mine. Now select the design, and go Object, and select Expand, and select OK. Now go Pathfinder, and make it United. Now select both, and make it middle align center. Increase the shield line equal to the letters gap. I think 9 pt is perfect. Now select the shield, and go Object, and select Path, and select Outline Stroke. Okay, that's good. Select both, and make middle align center. Again select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, and draw like that. Now delete the main design by hold Alt. Okay, that's good. Now select the design, and make it United. Now do the same works on the second logo. Increase the video speed for making short the tutorial. So friends, this is the today's tutorial. I think you guys are learning something from today's tutorial. If you need any help, ask question in comment box, I will help you. Thank you.